totoo lang, hindi ko akalain na darating tayo sa puntong ito na ikaw ang makakasama ko habang buhay.
Love is patient, love is
Kung may isang bagay na sigurado ako sa buhay ko, yun ay gusto kitang makasama ako. Ikaw yung taong nagpapasaya sa mga ordinaryong araw. Kung kahit simpleng kwentuhan lang, bigla na lang nagiging mas magana.
What does it take to make it past the passion and stick to the pain? Wondering, is it even
MC, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
I do, Father.
what I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved.
Gusto ko maging happy kayo. Kung konting pasensya na lang ha. Pasensyahan kayo.
Someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Want to be loved, oh to be loved by, oh to be loved by you.
Pag nakikita namin kayo na magkasama at nananatili, alam namin ang Diyos nandiyan. Mahal na mahal kayo. Mahal na mahal din kami. Mahal na mahal tayo lahat.
Sa dami ng araw na magkasama tayo, napagtanto ko na ang saya pala kapag may taong lagi mong kakampi. Kahit minsan, siya rin yung dahilan kung bakit ka naiinis. Pero sa huli, siya pa rin yung gusto mong kausapin at katabi.
What I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go.
Always put God in the center of your marriage. Sana magkaroon ako ng marami apo. Hoping for your continued success. Congratulations. Best wishes.
Someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Want to be loved, oh to be loved by, oh to be loved by you.
Mother, maganda ako, nagmana sa'yo. Okay. Love you! Ayoko. Ayoko yung iyak.
Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you.
Salamat kasi lagi mo akong iniintindi, pinapatawa at minsan pinapaalala kung sino ang may sense sa ating dalawa. At oo, kadalasan ikaw yun.
There's no denying that our time has come, shown to unfold stories untold. There's no denying.
Pipiliin kitang samahan sa lahat, sa mga plano natin, sa mga biglaang lakad, at sa mga simpleng gabi na magkasama lang tayo. At higit sa lahat, pipiliin kita araw-araw.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
I do, Father.
No, I ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet.
Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood ngayong araw. I love you all. See you later, guys.
See, I'ma smile through every storm, keep leaning on this hope. 'Cause I was 15 minutes from the grave. They said I was done, but I
Tawag po kayo lahat.
Basta, MC always positive Kailangan happy life, no?
no, I ain't done yet. Got a whole lot of love coming. Gotta go all in if you wanna be the best. Gotta stand tall, gotta say it with your chest. No, I ain't done yet. I just gotta look to the sky and I see it. When it gets dark and lonely.
Para sa future husband ko, ito ang relo mo. Hindi para kontrolin ang oras mo, pero para maalala mo kung sino na ang boss mo.
Gotta go all in if you wanna be the best. Gotta stand tall, gotta say it with your chest. No, I ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet. No, I ain't done yet.
And I know that my sister is one of the strongest women I've known. Dahil ang galing-galing niya sa mga problema, no? Di ba? Congratulations, sis. Kuya Pikes, welcome to the family. Are you ready? Ready ka na? Welcome to the family. At sa lahat ng guests po, salamat po sa pagpunta ngayon. Thank you po. I love you both and cheers.
Salamat kasi lagi mo akong pinapatawa, pinapakalma kapag stress ako, at pinapaalala na hindi kailangan maging perpekto ang buhay para maging masaya.
Taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so dead and buried. On the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground on the sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. Something so heavenly, higher than ecstasy. Never you're next to me, oh my. What was it black and white until I saw your light? I thought you had to die to fight. Something so out.
Pipiliin kitang mamahalin araw-araw sa saya, sa pagod, at kahit sa mga araw na pareho tayong hindi alam kung anong ulam ang gusto natin. At sa lahat ng taong pwede kong makasama sa buhay, masaya na ikaw ang pinili ko. Mahal na mahal.
Something so out of the ordinary.